Oh, that was a hit! Yes! Woo! Welcome to the Most Lit YouTube channel. My name is Sam McGlone and we're shooting cannons at that guy in the car. Oh, that slapped me so hard! Yes! Good work, bro. Yeah. Alright, so we are gonna put them together now. We have lighters. Not sure actually how this works. Pipe, more pipe. Do not try this at home.
We'll see how it goes.
We're just two young lunatics, not knowing what we're doing. We're gonna blow shit up. Whoa. Alright, let's start. Cut this block in half. Ready? So about there.
What's your fingers stuck?
Sammy, put your finger away.
Perfect. Perfect. Because this is almost enough. You can tell we've never done this before. We have this special red stuff all the way from Japan. What this does is it makes the video super good and go viral. Some special lighters. I don't know if they work. The key to this is put lots on. As you can tell, we've got the Hulk over there. Hey, King Hulk! He's getting his Hulk game. Gotta make sure you get heaps of glue in there. Alright, so we just finished up taping this one. So, this is what sparks it. We put gas in there, close it, and then kaboom. Almost finished taping this one. We're taping it in case they blow up. That hopefully the tape will keep the plastic together, otherwise we could lose body parts. So kids, do not try this at home because this is super dangerous, but like I said, I have brought my professional friend from all the way over from Texas. Safety Doyle. Not hurt ourselves today. So yeah, get ready. Now we're gonna go and blow some shit up. Here's test one. Good. Oops. How'd you know this is my first time? It worked. Too much gas in there. Woohoo! Yeah! We will be shooting Maritz. We'll be shooting Maritz in this car. Alright, so now we are going to be making the race car track. And you know what that means. We have two cannons, one car.
And one idiot who drives the car.
And we're going to be shooting potatoes at the person in the car. But first we're going to make the race car track.
Last words?
Please don't kill me.
In there, so like, you know what I mean? Righto's coming around.
Oh, that was good. That one went far.
Yeah!
That's the hit, Doise. Woohoo! Alright, we got our first hit. It took us about half an hour, but we hit him. Alright. Alright, the score is 2-0 Doyle's way. I haven't been able to hit Maritz yet. Oh, so close. This is so hard. Oh. Oh, that was a hit. Yes. All right, it's Doyle's time in the car. I'm waiting for him to come around now and we'll do our first one at him. He's getting shot, that's for sure. These things are having lots of malfunctions today. As you can tell, it's not your high technical. Oh, you hit it?
Oh! Oh!
Did it hurt?
Yes, nearly knocked out.
I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll keep going. We'll send some more at ya.
No way.
Oh, yeah. How's that, bro?
It's good, man.
Good shit?
Someone got me right in the head, someone got me right in the leg. Car's a bit how you going, but
It's a bit bad, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go in now.
yeah.
You try and get them guns to go.
Righto.
Alright, so it's my turn to drive and hopefully survive. It's go time, baby! Woo! So we got so many injuries in the last videos from Sammy that we want to killing him. We throw the potatoes in his car and try to hit his head. We will look how we go. Take two. Doyle is going to be hopping on the 50cc bike. You ready, Doys?
Sure am.
Mate, nothing's worrying him.
2, 1, 2, 1.
Hear the noises coming from him. His front tire. Alright, this one's gonna hit him. We hit him in the leg. We hit him in the leg with a full potato. We just hit him. We hit him with his potato. Oh, we hit him. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's gonna be so he's gonna be so angry.
He's driving.
Rich, you're up.
Oh no.
Awesome, bro.
How many did you get?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah! Oh, my. Oh, that slapped me so hard. I just got hit Doyle in the leg.
String him in the balls.
He let go of the string and hit me straight in the balls. Watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe and we'll see you at the next one.